now when the bitch only slap. Hop out the motherfucking vet. Told her give me a paper, baby, I don't want the sex. Fuck you thought it was. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe.
See, we ain't wearing the same shirt from the past video. This video was made in the same day. Y'all see, we got the Versatile Vette behind me. We in the Versatile garage. Let me show y'all what we doing, alright? So, some dumbass decided they're gonna jack the car up by the goddamn radiator skid plate. I'm not gonna say who that dumbass was, my dumbass, but I got a new one behind me, y'all. I'll go show y'all that. So this is a radiator skid plate. At the time, my homeboy did have the ramps, so I wasn't able to get the car up, so I tried to use the jack. Couldn't get that jack nowhere underneath here. So I was like, let me try up here. Me rushing at the time, wasn't aware that this is aluminum. My dumb ass ended up bending it. Can't really see too well from down there. Let me see if I can give y'all a better view. But anyway, y'all, there you go. It's pushed up in there. It's pushed this down. Try to put this in the oven and be able to warp it back down. We're gonna try to do that. Luckily, it missed the radiator. Didn't damage any fins. We are gonna clean that out a little bit though, since it is pretty dirty. Man, I've abused this Vette. I'm sorry. We're gonna get you right though, baby. But yeah, y'all stay tuned for the wrap. Got that wrap coming pretty soon. It's actually in the shop right now as y'all are watching this video. Getting wrapped by Cloaks Wraps in Austin, Texas. Y'all be sure to check them out in the link description below. Their wraps are crazy, man. They've done Vettes, so I'm confident with taking my Vette to them. They fix Vettes that shops in Houston have worked on and messed up on, so they had to rewrap a whole Vette because of a shop in Houston. So I didn't want to take that chance. I wanted to go to a recognizable shop that knows what they're doing. It's worked on this car before. That means they know how to take the car apart, put it back together. I ain't gonna have like these seam issues that I got from fucking Ace's Performance when they installed my exhaust. That thing is poking, y'all. If y'all haven't seen that video, go check it out on the card right here. But yeah, y'all, let's get into this install. I'll get back at y'all when we underneath the car, showing y'all everything to unbolt. It shouldn't be too hard. I think it's just these right here, and these right here, and these right here are for the skid plate underneath the car. So it shouldn't be too hard of an install, y'all. I'll get back at y'all when we doing it. Alright, y'all, so I actually have my front bumper off because I'm actually prepping my lights, well, fixing my lights for my DRL color changing light install. And I'm going to be installing a Z06 front grille. If you haven't seen that video, I'll throw it up on the card right here. You actually just have to remove that plate, but if you want more space and more room, you can remove the bumper as well. Go ahead and check out that video. Now we're actually going to be using a 13mm socket to remove this bolt right here. Give y'all a better view. This bolt right here, and there's another one in the back right there. And then same vice versa on the other side. Once we get that off, it should come right down. You might want to place a jack stand underneath your radiator just in case it does fall. Just to be on the safe side. It can never be too safe, y'all. But I'll get back at y'all when we're installing the new one and we got the old one out. Alright, y'all, so before y'all can take your skid plate off, there's actually a 10mm screw right here on the back side of this one. And on the other side right here, I already took that side out, it's right here. And then you're also going to have to pry off these clamps right here that hold the electrical wiring in place to this. Be sure not to break these clips, y'all. They are very fragile, so they are plastic for some stupid reason. But once we get this out right here, should fall right down now. Shit, y'all, so we got it off. Look how severely bent that is. I thought I missed my radiator. Ended up hitting the front one. The back one's pretty good, but the front one, I actually bent that one. Now's a good time though to go ahead and clean out all this extra junk that you do have in here. Clean all that out. Don't want that in there. And we're gonna go ahead and unmount this. Try to bend it down, y'all. See if we can heat it up enough to where it stays down now. And then we're gonna get the new one mounted. Get back at y'all. Alright, y'all, so to get the new one in, you obviously just reverse the process, hit those bolts, and do not forget to remount your wiring harness. It does push in. Hold on, let me give you a better. There we go. Right there. It does push in right here. Like such. And then do the top one. Yep. And then I'll get back at y'all when we got everything back on, y'all. See y'all then. So y'all, do not mind the bugs on the front bumper. I am about to wash the car. Just take a look at the Z06 front grille on the Stingray. Shh. Thing looks 10 times better than the factory. Plus it looks like we're gonna be getting a lot more extra airflow. Hopefully keep the car cool. Also got that big shot of there. And all that gunk was caught in between the radiator and the skid plate, so hopefully she's able to breathe better and stay cool. Get back at y'all when we got everything done. Make sure y'all just reverse the process to get everything hooked back up. If you haven't seen that video where I installed the DRL color changing headlights from Vette Lights, be sure to go check that out. I'll throw it up in the card right here. But yeah, y'all, I'll get back at y'all when we got all this mounted back up. And it'll be time to head to Austin, y'all. Can't wait to see that wrap, y'all. Yes. That wrap, y'all ain't gonna recognize this Vette no more, man. Y'all just stay tuned. Got so many big more things coming to the Vette. This is just the beginning for Versatile, y'all. Y'all just keep rocking with the kid, man. We about to go up from here, y'all. I'll get back at y'all when we got everything mounted up. Alright, y'all, got everything mounted up. Show y'all that front end real quick. Everything mounted up, sitting nice. Get that cold start, y'all. I actually put her up on the ramps last night. She has not been started today. See how she sounds. My bad, y'all. Silly me. Gave y'all the cold start. Forgot to give y'all an outro. But don't worry. I'm here to give that to y'all right now. Remember to stay versatile, y'all. Treat every day like it's your Friday, man. And truly go at it like it's your last, man. Because y'all truly never know when it can be, y'all. So might as well go out, man, and live a happy life. Because you never know. So why not? Why not? Go out and give 100% every day. And go at each goal that you have, y'all. And attack that bitch like it's your last. Because you never know when you can be in one of these, man. I didn't even expect this, to be honest. But yeah, y'all, that's gonna be it for this one. If y'all like this video, make sure y'all give it a thumbs up.